Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your Boomer Consumer, and this is our unboxing and first look of the brand new Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. This is the 2020 edition, the 10th generation of this tablet. So I wanted to get this in here. This is my first look and initial impressions of this device. So these Amazon Fire tablets are some of the best-selling tablets on the market. Now, Amazon is marketing this as a portable entertainment device. So, you know, you're going to edit movies on it and do sketching and all that kind of thing. Possibly you could, but this is really more meant for watching movies, reading books, ebooks, magazines online, entertainment, listening to podcasts. And there's been some good changes to these in this new generation. So starting with the price, these are $89. Now for $20 more with special offers, you can get the Amazon Fire HD8 Plus, and that gives you an extra gigabyte of RAM and Qi wireless charging. So you get that. But this is $89. This is the most basic unit. Comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM, okay, 32 gigabytes of storage. Has an SD card slot, a 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 2 megapixel back camera. It has a 1280 by 800 HD IPS panel for display. In other words, it's going to have really nice color on it. It's not going to be super sharp, but at 159 pixels per square inch, for you pixel peepers out there, it's still going to be plenty sharp enough for reading books and that kind of thing on the tablet. So it's got twice the storage. It's about 30% faster than the prior generation, and you get about 20% more battery life with this tablet. Another improvement, at least I think it is that now it comes with USB-C charging on it as opposed to micro USB. I wish everything just went over to USB-C. Now these are available in different colors. There's black, twilight blue, there's plum, white, and slate. I went with the twilight blue. I'm just tired of black devices, so there's that. There's also an optional cover you can get for these, and I think they sell for around $39 on Amazon. By the way, if you're interested in picking one of these up, I'd appreciate you use our Amazon link down below in the description. I make a few pennies and it doesn't cost you an extra dime. Now, one thing I get asked a lot about the Amazon Fire tablets is, can I put this Google app on there or this from the Google Play Store? You can put the Google Play Store on these. There's workarounds on how to do that on the internet, but that's not going to be in the scope of this video. So we get more storage, it's faster, we get different version for an extra $15 more. You can get it without the advertising. This comes with some advertising, is how they get the price down to $89, but I can live with that. I'll tell you why I bought it, because I do intend to put the Google Play Store on it. I'm going to use it with some teleprompting software. So this is going to be part of a new teleprompter that I'm going to use. But I'm also going to use it for entertainment as well. There's just times where a smaller device, smaller than my iPad Pro 11-inch, but larger than my phone, could come in handy. But yeah, so let's get to the unboxing of this tablet. So these come from Amazon pre-configured to your Amazon Prime account. And so setting these up typically isn't tough. They don't come in very fancy packaging whatsoever. We're going to go ahead and get her open here. And let's see what we get. All right. Okay. And there's the tablet right here. And we have a little box on here. And it should come with the USB cable. There we go. This is the USB-C cable. Hold it up here so you can see it on the camera. There we go. Yep, so that's for charging, and I believe now they include a little 5-watt power adapter on there. So it takes about 5 hours to charge one of these all the way up. You can get an optional 9-watt charger, which will, I think, reduce the charging time to a couple hours. I'm not sure about that, but you have that. Anything else? Hello. Welcome to your Fire HD. Welcome. And of course, different things you can do, what you need to know about how to use it. Watch, read, play, connect. There's a lot of apps on there. In the Amazon App Store, including Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Spotify, Facebook. All the usual suspects are on there. Move all this stuff out of the way. All right, we're wrapped in plastic on here. Here we go. Just get her open. And there it is. It fits in the hand quite nicely. I kind of like the blue color. I'm sort of partial to that. So through the magic of editing, I'm going to go ahead and get it booted and go through the setup process. If it doesn't take too long to power up, hopefully it's got some power in it. Turn it on. And it's booting right up. Not sure how long this will take, but if it takes too long, I'll edit this wait out. Fire, Amazon Fire, English United States version. It's connecting to my network. Should ask me for my login credentials. Registering your account. Nope, it already had that information from the last system I had. Just a sec. Hello, Bruce Naylor, continue. All right, continue. Just a sec. It's actually going along a lot quicker. It is fast. It is a fast tablet. Now there's a 2 megapixel camera on the front and one on the back, and it's basically good enough. It's called 720p. It's just going to be good enough for things like Skype or instant messaging, that sort of thing. Restore your previous backups to include apps, fire games. I'm going to say do not restore. Enable location services, autosave photos. That's all checked. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. Probably not a good idea as a security guy.
From watching movies and reading books.
All right, got to watch a little video. I don't really want to do that. Okay, so you had to sit through about a minute, 35-second thing on how to use Alexa and different things you can do. I'm actually going to disable Alexa on there, and I'm going to disable Alexa for right now. Who will use this fire? Me. Continue. Set my screen lock. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. No thanks. No thanks. Wants me to ask you if you want to join Amazon Prime. You want to join this Kindle thing. I'm going to say no to that. Not now on the Kindle books and videos. Now I can get games and apps for free. This is just kind of the experience. You know, Amazon's got to get their money back on there. They're not making any money at all, really, on these tablets. So this is also a platform to sell movies, games, online books, podcasts, etc., to make money. I mean, that's what it's about. But these things are actually quite simple to use. Let me go ahead and pull down here. There we go. We have various settings on here for our network, Bluetooth connectivity if we want to put in airplane mode, blue shade. Obviously, I think cuts down on the blue lighting at night, making it easier to sleep. Do not disturb. If you have a smart home setup, you can run things up like that. Low power mode, and then you have a little gear down here to get into your various settings on the tablet, your internet, your connected devices. Right now, out of the box, there's 74% battery. Show mode, that's going to be for, I think that's got to do with the Alexa show, kind of converts it into that. Your display, the wallpaper, font size, volume controls, mic outs. This is built around Android. Fire operating system is a heavily modified version of Android. So put it up, pull it up on there. There we go. You got your home, different books, videos. Again, I am an Amazon Prime subscriber. So there's different movies on there you can watch. And of course, shopping. Go back. the newsstand, Audible. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put YouTube on here. Nope, that's not what we want. So I'm going to install that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just installed YouTube on here and pulled up one of my videos. Don't want to get a copyright strike or copy ID, none of that kind of stuff. Just kind of a demo. I've got the volume turned up to max and the brightness on the screen set to maximum. So that way you get kind of an idea of the video quality and maybe some of the audio quality of this. I'm wearing a lapel mic right now, but let's go ahead and take a look and see how it looks. Fire 10 HD tablet from Amazon. This is the late 2019 edition. The color is really good on there. Tablet. So let's talk about this a little bit. And first, looks good. This video is not sponsored by anybody. And I'll hold this up. Paid for with my own funds. All opinions are my own. And I'll hold this up here. My Amazon affiliate. There we go. If you're interested in purchasing this tablet, so you can kind of see this on this camera as well. Nice and bright. Very comfortable to hold in your hand. So nice one-handed tablet. I'll just skip right to the end of it and just tell you. We've got two speakers on the side here. Let me go ahead and stop that. So you got two speakers on here. On this side, right here, that's for the micro SD card slot. Then you have your headphone jack. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll hold this up to this camera. But we have a headphone jack. Then we have the USB type C jack on here for charging. Then we have the built-in microphone. Then we have your off and on switch, and then volume up and volume down. Everything you need. So the bottom line is, I think for 90 bucks, if you're looking for, because not all of us have 300, 400 bucks to spend on a tablet. If you just want to do things like Facebook, watch YouTube videos, maybe read some online news, entertainment, and you don't mind putting up with a few ads, for 90 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong with one of these. Is it iPad quality? No, but then again, you're not paying that premium price. I think it's a great value for the money. You can spend $15 more for this tablet and not have any of the ads. You can get the Fire HD 8 Plus for like 120 bucks. So great value for the money, highly recommend it. Check them out. Like I said, if you want more information, my link to this is down below in the description. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.